Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm going to talk about improvisation, and with the new top-down view you can see my hands actually. So that's gonna help me explaining you how to play the piano for as long as you want. So I have an own method, a unique method that doesn't exist yet. I mean, it exists now because I'm talking about it. It's called the color block method, and it allows you to play for as long as you want and relatively learn new songs quickly, relatively quickly. The idea is that you don't have to read notes, you don't have to read chords, you just learn patterns of groups of notes, and I have assigned colors to them so you can remember them easily. For example, this is the red block. That's a lot of notes, 8 in total, but because this is red and you practice it, you can just remember, oh, this is the red block. The nice thing about the red block is that you can start them from anywhere on the piano. So for example, right now I'm starting them at C. But you can also start playing the same pattern with the same distances from a different note called, for example, F. You can do the same with a completely different note, for example A and G. And when you combine those, you can play a sequence of colors. And that's where my method excels, because you play so many different notes, but you just remember 4 colors and 4 start positions. So for example, C red, A red, F red, G red. This is a very popular chord progression and it's been used in thousands of songs. So while you play that, you can just continuously playing that until it sounds boring, right? Does it get boring already? So there are 5 colors in total and we have only covered the red block. The nice thing is that when you combine all these different possibilities, the possibilities are endless. So we're only using the red block here, and if we add a color block like green, it would create a little bit more organic play. The green block is like this. I will play it a little bit slower for you so you can catch up. In the link below you have a classroom where I have a bunch of lessons recorded in slow, medium and fast speed. Let's continue with this lesson. I will also play the red block a little bit slow. So let's combine red and green with the chord progression that we just played. So now we played C red, A green, F red, G green. Let's do that again. C red, A green, F red, G green. If if you play that continuously without me talking in the middle, it sounds like this. So if you're looking to improvise, this is an insanely easy method to just play these color blocks in your left hand and use any white keys with your right hand. If they're just in the same rhythm as you play the left hand, there's no mistakes you can make. If you just avoid the black notes, every white key sounds good. Let me give an example. I will just randomly play a melody with my right hand. And in my left hand, I will play the same chord progression that I just played. Let's do a different melody. Sorry. Yeah. That's something that I just come up with. It's super random. It doesn't have any meaning. Let's do another example. So I am just repeating the right hand for you to easily understand what I'm doing. But if I continue to play these kind of things and continue developing my ear for you, you can develop what a feeling for what sounds good to the ear and what sounds less good to the ear. So if we play in our left hand exactly the same and we keep in mind stable, unstable notes and make a nice balance, and I teach you how to do that, you can create this. Do you get the idea? And you can do this for as long as you want. So when I play in a restaurant, I can play for a certain amount of hours in a row without being interrupted. Of course, I need a break to drink or eat. But let's do a little exercise. I'm going to play a new chord progression in my left hand, and you guess which colors we do. Before I do that, I introduce one new color, so you have the option of 3 different colors. So stick with me. I'm going to show one new color, then I'm going to show the color blocks progression, and then you guess which colors I just played. So the new color is yellow, and it sounds like this. So remember, you can play this from anywhere on the keyboard. So for example, also here, this is the yellow block. Or here. So first I started with C yellow. Then I did G yellow. And then I did D yellow. Does it make sense? Okay, let's go to the exercise. I'm going to play a chord progression, and you only have to guess the colors. You don't have to guess what is the starting position. You just have to recognize if it is red, green, or yellow. Let's go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Do you know which colors I played? Let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you have any feedback, I would love to hear what you think. I would love to hear what you think about this new top-down camera. I mean, this camera is not new, that camera is new, because I found that the webcam is not capable. It's a nice webcam. It's the MX Brio from Logitech, but it is it was low quality, showing 88 keys. So I put the Canon, which is a nice camera, on top, showing down, and it kind of shows the piano in good quality, I think. So I hope you really, I really hope you like this upgrade to the YouTube videos, because it's been widely requested by you and people from inside the community. So I really hope to add more value to your life by providing this new camera perspective, so you can pause the video or play it in slow motion, or play it in fast forward, so you can see my hands, what I'm playing. I hope to inspire you with that. I hope I don't intimidate in certain way, because of course I can understand there are like two types of students. You get either inspired or intimidated, I think. If somebody, if I want to learn the guitar and somebody would do on the guitar something like this, or something other crazy, then I would be like, yeah, okay, where do I start? I have no idea. So I try to keep it simple and for you to follow easily. And if I fail at that, I would love to know. So anyway, yeah, I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next one. All right, bye-bye.